2 years in the making, exclusive premiere on June 1, 2024, in Montrose, Iowa. It took us 2 years to develop the perfume whose crown jewel is the Cedar of Lebanon. There will never be commercial quantities of Cedrus Libani due to limited supplies. We offer the perfume to close friends and important people who want to support the restoration of the world's oldest ship replica that has crossed 2 oceans. Our steam distilled Cedrus Libani essential oil is accepted by the best perfumeries and high-end perfume shops around the world. For the distillation of this precious oil, we have the necessary equipment and technology. The milling of 20,000 kilograms of Cedrus Libani logs will produce more than 2,500 kilograms of sawdust. We will distill thousands of milliliters of essential oils from that sawdust. The oil is simply not available in commercial quantities. The production of the perfume will be made in small batches with strict controls. Fragrances are large and important markets. We have joined forces with a nationally award-winning perfume maker to provide our friends and supporters with the aromas of the biblically famous Cedar of Lebanon. High-end markets are paying attention to us. Our perfume will connect to Phoenician culture and ancient history. Among all the senses possessed by us, the sense of smell is the most primeval. We want to create memories that connect you to the Old Testament through the power of smell. Cedar of Lebanon for thousands of years has affected the moods of millions of people. Our perfume transports you to a distant time by making memories that bind you to the beloved stories found only in the Bible. The production of our perfume requires the essential oil of Cedrus Libani. We have a good starting point. We will fund the restoration of the ship by taking advantage of the opportunity to sell perfume made from steam distilled Cedrus Libani essential oil. The perfume will only be offered to those who want to support the great work of restoring the ship by creating memories through the smell that connects you to the Old Testament. The world premiere of this ancient aroma will be made on June 1, 2024, in Montrose, Iowa, at the Phoenicia Ship Museum. Laboratory tests. Laboratory tests confirm that we are producing Cedrus Libani, Cedar of Lebanon essential oils that are comparable to those produced by the Phoenicians 2,600 years ago. We have designed our own equipment as we follow the ancient methods for the steam distillation of the cedar sawdust. We are sure that if the representatives of the Pharaoh were to come to our processing facility, they would be more than happy to do business with us as they prepare their king's body for mummification. Spice and fragrance traders from ancient times would have been happy to deal with us in their search for sources of the cedar oil. We have the largest collection of Cedrus Libani, Cedar of Lebanon logs in America. We are now able to distill the oil in an ancient way from these logs. Our intent is to sell the oil to high-end perfume producers who are located in America and overseas. Our story is true. Our product is clear. We will now promote the narrative that Phoenicians came to America 600 years before Christ. This is the precious and sacred oil that was used in Solomon's temple and by the Egyptians as they prepared the elaborate burials of their kings in the pyramids that are near the Nile River. We want to show how our Phoenician ship replica connects the old world to the new world with aromas that are thousands of years old.